Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a walkthrough of Aria Casino. So Aria is a funny one for me because when it was first opened it wasn't something that I was really interested in going to. I can't tell you what it was at all about the place. It's not like it was a bad place to go, a bad casino. I mean, obviously it's a nice casino, but it was never something I was interested in going to. I think mainly because Cosmopolitan was where I preferred to go. But then about 5-6 years ago, Aria started to appeal to me a bit more. And obviously now Vidara as well is Vidara at Aria. And the two combined I actually quite think are nice properties. Obviously Vidara doesn't have a casino, Aria does. But Aria is a very long, and I think if you looked at it from above, I'd say Aria is like a banana shape, its casino. But then again, I suppose that matches the shape of the building as well. So when we came into the casino, it was kind of in the middle bit. So at the moment we're just walking all the way to the end where the check-in desks are. And you can see all the machines. There's a huge selection of machines. I don't think Aria is the biggest casino, but it definitely feels like it is one of the biggest. It's certainly one of the nicest, I think. It's definitely nicer than, some of the others like Circus Circus. But even for the upper tier resorts, I think it is one of the nicest. It is a bit dark. Obviously, it's not as bright as like the Venetian, but it's a nice one. It's a nice casino. So check-in desks are just over there, and this is the end of the casino right here. So we can turn around this way and do a full walk of the casino floor itself. So table games are just there to the right, and we got some more slots just round this way. And throughout the casino, it tends to be in chunks. So here you can see it goes up that way towards the guest elevators. And then there's a chunk of machines. And then as you get a little bit further, next to Javier's restaurant right there, it splits again. And then there's another chunk of machines. I do kind of like that sort of layout within the casino. I do think it is good, because it gives you that option to kind of split away for different purposes, whatever that means. It's just something I like to see, rather than just a big mesh of machines all stitched together, trying to struggle your way through. So as you come a bit further around here, you see the gem bar right there. And further around this way, the poker room is just there in the distance. And just around to the left is where you can get the tram, or rather you can walk, whatever you want to get to park as well. So that's over that way. And like I say, poker room is straight ahead. That's the way to the tram and also the parking. And then if you turn to the right, there is another section of the casino. And you can see, if you keep going down here, some escalators going up to more restaurants. Like I say, it is quite a large casino. And I think it's probably one of the most popular ones. There's a lot of selection of games in here, there really is. So as we come to the end here, sports bar just there, and if we turn around here, you can see that more machines. And if we walk down this section here, we actually end up right back where we started. So we've effectively done one big loop of the casino. A couple more table games here. The cashier is just there. And if you look in there, I'm sure we all know what that is. table games, some more slots, and we've nearly completed our full loop of the casino. You never really see lines at the cashier desk these days, do you? I guess people don't really have much of a use for them anymore with the ticket in, ticket out machines. You see more slots all down there. And right here is where we began the walk. We came in from that way, and there is the casino where we started. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, whatever, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.